Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Sarafina, as you already know. And if you actually, that is the intro for my vlog channel. We don't have an intro for the beauty channel, so let's come up with one. Hey beauties, welcome back. So the makeup look that I'm actually doing, I lost the photo for it. So with that being said, I'm gonna do the eye look on camera and my base off camera. This one's, I'm gonna actually do my eyebrows on camera. So like I was saying earlier guys, this makeup look is mainly because of the eyeshadow. So you all will not be seeing me doing my base on camera. Simply just doing a eyeshadow look, which it's a fairly simple eyeshadow look, but it's very glam, if that makes sense. It's a long cut crease. A long cut crease is, well, a cut crease that is long. So, and it has a very dramatic black wing, but the look is pink, guys. If you know me personally, you know me to like pink. So I use the same concealer that I put to conceal the bottom of my eyebrows. I use it for the base. I have an eyeshadow base, but I don't like how it's like light. It's very light, it's not full coverage, and I want my eyeshadow to stick out, honey. I have this eyeshadow palette that looks like a book. I bought it in 5 and Below, actually, not the drugstore. Is it technically the drugstore? I don't know. I bought it in 5 and Below. It was $2. I thought it wasn't gonna be a good palette. The shadows in here are so beautiful. Anyway, so I'm gonna be using this pink and this pink. Also, I'm gonna be using, y'all know my favorite eyeshadow palette from good old Jamaican Good Day. Watch Chrissy Works. I'm also gonna be using this darker pink in the crease to give it a transition look. Now it's time to play some music. I'm only doing one eye on camera, by the way. Hey guys, so this eye is not complete, but while the concealer is drying so that when I put the eyeshadow on it, it doesn't crease, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the next eye, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so both eyes have the shape that I want. Concealer done, done it done, and everything. Now it's time to go in with this light pink in the cut crease area. Now, as you can see, the concealer that I use from LA Girls was not a white concealer, nor was it a pink one. It's kind of orange like, peach like. So I'm hoping that when I blend this, when I pack this light pink on top, it comes out how it's supposed to look, because I'm a little scared. I have a packing brush here. I have two packing brush, this and this one is gonna get into the line area more, but this is gonna pack all the color on it. So this is for details, this is for packing. I don't like it. I'm literally only continuing because I already started filming. Orange and the pink is not making it look soft. Realize what I said don't look not like how I said? This pink is lighter than this pink, and I use the same color on both. Can you tell I'm upset? Come on, do what I do, girl. And let me introduce you to what I do. Guys, you see how this is smooth and no crease? This is creasing. I don't know what to do. It's my first time ever doing a full pink eye look. I still don't like it all that much. It's growing on me a little bit. The first time doing this cat eye effect, I felt like it would have looked, it made it feel like it would have looked good with it, so I did that cat eye thing. It look like a little Egyptian. So I'm gonna do my base now, guys, and I'll be back after my base is done to do the finished looks on camera, the finished touches on camera, but I'm not gonna do my base on camera. So I sat here for a little while trying to figure out what I was going to do with the lips. Mega just brown pencil it, put a little pink in the middle, gloss, and that's it. Cause I don't leave the lippy to do that thing to James Charles and Arisha. You can't do that. Might seduce your dad type. I'm a bad guy. A little black to blend it out.
Type of shit that you've been waiting on you for. I'm making time for a minute. Yeah, you with it? Got a lot of time. I just need some way to spend it. I'll just press a button in the top, go missing. I got the slips on you.
Okay, guys. Well, this is the finished look, and I have to say, my base usually eats, but my base is eating. Okay, my base is eating. My base is eating. My base is eating. My base is eating. Period. Eat. Period. Period. Let me see what it looks like in a little, like a little undertone type of lighting. Yellow lighting. I was thinking about putting on some Juvia's Place highlight, like literally all over my face, but I'm gonna put some on my face, you know, but I'm not gonna put it all over my face. You see, this is it. It's very pigmented. A little dust goes a long way. Let me tell you, a little dust goes a long way. See how that pigmented? That's it. I'm not going to set my face, but if y'all watched the last video, y'all know I set my face with the One Size setting spray, and it lasts all day all night. But the reason why I'm not setting is because I'm about to take this off my face. It's so cute. I'm gonna take a little picture and I'm gonna take it off my face, but that's it, because I don't have anywhere to go. I just needed to do this makeup look. Yeah, because I have so many makeup looks that I have to do, and this was one of them. So it's not just the my friends draw my makeup look videos that I'm doing. I'm also doing recreating different eyeshadow looks, face looks, base looks that I see all over Instagram. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this little tutorial, watching me going a little crazy, watching me vibe to a little music. Yeah, I want to know if I come back, because it's only up from here. I'm learning, teaching myself as I go, using things that I already have. Some of them expire, but as long as it's not right now off my face, that's fine. I do want to do this as a side hustle. Yes, I'm stepping up, doing it as I'm gonna commit to doing it as a side hustle, and I'm going to try and make my videos look better. So without the bag of long talking any further, I'm gonna go ahead and end off this video here. I really hope you guys actually enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did filming it, even though it was a little nerve-wracking. But I love the way how it turned out. The eye doesn't look exactly like how the girl had hers, but it's close enough. It's close enough. Okay, so yeah, see you guys in the next makeup video or vlog. I'm your girl Sarafina, and I love you beauties. Bye.